Namaste. Tasher Desh is one of Tagore's most acclaimed dance dramas, a unique genre that he created. It was written in 1933 with the notion that colonial rule was an artificial barrier to normal development of a country, which was the fundamental idea in every one of his writings. Tasher Desh, A Land of Cards, takes a satirical look at the tyranny and regulation and celebrates freedom of speech, thoughts and deeds. This play is set in an apparently naive background where the prince lives with his mother, the queen, and Saudagar Putro, the merchant's son, is his only friend. Bored by their claustrophobic and monotonous existence in a dilapidated castle, the prince and his friend Saudagar Putro set upon a voyage. Sailing the high seas, they get shipwrecked and find themselves swept ashore a beautiful island, the Land of Cards. Tasher Desh. The inhabitants of this place are playing cards, well synchronized but completely lacking in warmth and emotions. Observing their coordinated existence, the prince realizes the lifelessness of the inhabitants of the Land of Cards. The inhabitants of this place are playing cards, well synchronized but completely lacking in warmth and emotions. Observing their coordinated motions, the prince realizes the lifelessness of the inhabitants of the Land of Cards. In this strange land, the cards are bound by countless innate, inhuman rules. The story unfolds, showing how both of them bring an air of liberation and rebellion, making the cards revolt and eventually break the shackles of tyranny. We catch up with an abstract of the discussion between the prince and Saudagar Putro before the duo decides to set upon a voyage, where, with his conventional and superficial answers, Saudagar Putro is unable to satisfy the prince as he goes on seeking answers from him about his inner contemplation and deep-rooted realizations. The prince wants to leave behind his life of confining luxury, to explore the world, to break conventions as a rule. He wants to break free. The merchant, unable to understand, tells Patralekha, "Perhaps you might be able to guess what our prince's secret is. Why don't you ask him?" As Patralekha sings, "The secret shall not remain hidden anymore. It is expressed in the silent eye." The prince gets convinced about his realizations more and more. We begin our dance drama with our first item, Gopono Kothati, in Mohiniyattam style, followed by Jaboy Ami Joboy. বিভোর হাসিতে বাজিল হাসিতে, বিভোর হাসিতে বাজিল হাসিতে, স্ফুরিল ভাবে নিভৃত স্বপনে। না 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 রবে না গোপনে, গোপন কথাটি রবে না গোপনে। উঠিল ফুটিয়া নীরব নয়নে, গোপন কথাটি। গোপন কথাটি রবে না গোপনে। উঠিল ফুটিয়া নীরব নয়নে, গোপন কথাটি।
যাবই আমি যাবই, ওগো বাণী যেতে যাবই, যাবই আমি যাবই। লক্ষ্মীরে হারাবই যদি অলক্ষ্মীরে পাবই, যাবই আমি যাবই।
সাজিয়ে নিয়ে জাহাজখানি বসিয়ে হাজার দাড়ি, কোন পুরীতে যাব দিয়ে কোন সাগরের পাড়ি।
কোন তারকা লক্ষ্য করি কুল কিনারা পরিহরি, কোন দিকে যে বাইব তরি বিরাট কালো নীড়ে। মরবো না মরবো না মরবো না আর ব্যর্থ আশায় সোনার বালুর তীরে, যাবই আমি যাবই।
নীলের কোলে শ্যামল সেদীপ প্রবাল দিয়ে ঘেরা, শৈল চূড়ায় নীড় বেঁধেছে সাগর বিহঙ্গেরা। নারিকেলের শাখে শাখে ঝোড়ো বাতাস কেবল ডাকে ডাকে।
ঘন বনের ফাঁকে ফাঁকে বইছে নগ নদী, সাত রাজার ধন মানিক পাবো মানিক পাবো। সেথায় নামি যদি আমি যাবই, আমি যাবই। ওগো বাণী যেতে যাবই, যাবই।
আমি যাবই।
As the prince sets off on a voyage with his friend, searching for an adventure, they get shipwrecked, sailing through the high seas, and are swept ashore of Paradise Island. They relish their time on this beautiful shore, and the prince starts singing in joy, Elem Noton Deshi. His friend, the Saudagar Putro, takes a look around and comes back to the prince, detailing his observations. The inhabitants of this land are bound by customs and conventions. They rise and they fall, they move and they sit for no apparent reason but according to a rigid code of conduct, clearly sketching the lifelessness of the people. They look like a pack of cards divided into 4 classes: hearts, diamonds, spades and clubs. And their land resembles a wooden groove constructed by a carpenter. The song of pack of cards, Tolon Namon, indicates the same. Our next 2 items in this dance drama, Elem Noton Deshe, followed by Tolon Namon.
এতদিন পরে মনে হচ্ছে জীবনের নতুন পর্ব শুরু হলো। এলেন নতুন দেশে, এলেন নতুন দেশে, তলায় গেল ভগ্ন তরি, ঘুরে এলেন ভেসে, এলেন নতুন দেশে, এলেন নতুন দেশে। অচিন মনের ভাষা শোনাবে, অপূর্ব কোন আশা শোনাবে, রঙিন শীতল দুঃখ সুখের নতুন প্রাণে, নতুন গানের ধার, নতুন বেদনায় ফিরব কেঁদে দেশে, এলেন নতুন দেশে, এলেন নতুন দেশে।
Prince and his merchant friend realize they are in a land of cards, Tashir Desh, captured by 5 or 6 cards, predominantly known as the soldiers. They say they are the Tash people, and that in the land of cards or Tashir Desh, rules rule, leaders lead, followers follow. Obedience is the only virtue, and any deviation is punishable. No one laughs, no one cries, no one makes love. The watchword of the Tash people is convention. The Tash people are not even in a position to ask. Their code of rules outlaws any human behavior. To them, the prince and the Saudagar Putra are weird. The prince admits as a gesture that the cards have spoken sense and that he and his friend are indeed weird, being passionate the prince felt about the meaningless existence and the pathetic condition of the Tash people and pledges to bring out the very true selves of the cards, which is pure and eternal, and to inject a commotion in their morbid society. He declares the same through the exuberant song Amra Nuton Jobeneri Dut, singing along Saudagar Putra. The cards make a complaint to their king. The king and the queen arrive. The Tash national anthem is sung. Our next two items in this dance drama, Amra Nuton Jobeneri Dut, followed by Chireton Horoton Ishkapon.
চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা নূতন যৌবনেরই দূত আমরা বেড়া ভাঙি আমরা অশোক বনের রাঙা নেশায় রাঙি আমরা বেড়া ভাঙি আমরা অশোক বনের রাঙা নেশায় রাঙি ঝঞ্ঝার বন্ধন ছিন্ন করে দিই আমরা বিদ্যুৎ আমরা চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা নূতন যৌবনেরই দূত করি ভুল অগাধ জলে ঝাঁপিয়ে জুঝিয়ে পাই কুল আমরা করি ভুল অগাধ জলে ঝাঁপিয়ে জুঝিয়ে পাই কুল আমরা করি ভুল যেখানে ডাক পড়ে জীবন মরণ ঝরে যেখানে ডাক পড়ে জীবন মরণ ঝরে আমরা প্রস্তুত আমরা চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা নূতন যৌবনেরই দূত আমরা চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা নূতন যৌবনেরই দূত
সর্বজ্ঞ দাস মহাসভার জাতীয় সঙ্গীত
foreigners in the land of cards and their frenzied nature and getting suggestions from the soldiers about banishing them, the king looks for an answer to his queen. The passionate nature of the prince starts knocking down the painful stiffness within the queen, and she remarks that she is not in favor of any banishment. She was the first to respond to the call of change. The feeling initiated and induced transformation slowly into the other associates of the queen. The exasperated king announced that he will enforce the law of compulsion. The queen reacts, "Let us see who banishes whom." Thus, a change is ushered into the kingdom. With the wild vigor of his trait, the prince transforms the cards, and gradually the human quality begins to surface. Getting exposed to the prince's carefree ways, the Queen of Hearts explores her own feelings, emotions, and expressions while questioning the laws of the land. It is women again who come forward in responding to the call of freedom. The Hearts woman told the chief priest, "You have kept us deluded for a long spell, but no more." And the club woman asserted, "I have given up my caste." The female weakness is shown to be shaken off as the female cards retort, "Break down this fence of idleness, discard all meaningless clutter," as they together vow to tear away their veil and become free, pure, and whole. The king, finally with no option, starts responding to the change. We present the next two items in our dance drama, Ghoreto Bhomor Elo Gungune, and end this dance drama with the last song, Bandh Bhenge Dao.
ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে, ঘরেতে ভ্রমর এলো গুনগুনিয়ে, আমারে ঘর পুরাতন